so let's discuss now the last topic on capital budgeting. Ito naman yung mga cases kung saan yung kino-compare natin alternatives is wala tayong sales or wala tayong revenues. So we're just comparing the cost. So ang concern natin dito is alin yung sa mga pinagpipilian mo na alternatives ang will give you the least cost. Okay? Or pinakamababa ang net present value na cost, yun yung pipiliin mo na investment. So example dito ng cost lang involved ay yung magpapa-repair ba ako lagi o bibili na lang ako ng bago. So that's one example na ang kino-compare mo lang ay yung gastos at pipiliin mo yung alternative that will give you the least cost, yung pinakamababa. So dapat na nakalagay dito is pag wala tayong involved na revenues or sales, you will choose, or the manager will choose alternative na may pinakamababang cost, total cost. Ibig sabihin, pinakamababang present value ng cost, yun yung pipiliin mo. Kasi sa example, so we have two decisions or two alternatives na pinagpipiliin mo is bibili ka ng i-overhaul mo yung old truck. So ibig sabihin may mga repairs lang na gagawin or may mga partes lang na papalitan para, and then sa new truck bibili ka talaga ng bagong truck. So definitely dahil magkaiba, yung old truck is i-overhaul mo lang, isa bibili ka ng new truck. So magkaiba yung cash flow nila in terms of yung labas ng pera, yung laki ng lalabas na pera. So dito sa isa, overhaul cost niya gawin niya in year 0 is 4,500, and sa new truck naman is mas mahal kasi bibili siya ng bagong truck. Sa year 0 is 21,000. And then sa paggamit niya ng old truck na overhaul, ang kanyang operating expenses every year ay 10,000, and at the end of 5 years ay may natitira pang value yung overhaul truck na 250. And then another is yung salvage value in 5 years 250, and then the salvage value now is 9,000. And then sa new truck naman, ibig sabihin yung isa may salvage value ka, ibig sabihin may parte yung in-overhaul mo na pwede po pang mabenta. So yun yung 250. Okay, 250, and then the other na salvage value now is yung what do you call this? Salvage value now is na 9,000. Yan yung partes ng overhaul old truck na pwede mo pang mabenta, so 9,000. And then yung lumang, and then after overhaul meron pa after 5 years na from the na-overhaul siya, yung year 0 meron pa siyang natitirang salvage value na 250. Sa new truck lang naman, isang lang yung nagkakaroon ng salvage value, yung new truck lang. Dito sa old truck kasi may salvage value ka at year 0 nung in-overhaul mo, so may parts na pwede mong ibenta, and then after 5 years pagka-overhaul may salvage value ka pa din. Samantalang sa new truck, isang lang ang salvage value mo. Ang salvage value mo lang for the new truck after 5 years, or after 5 years is meron pang scrap value yung new truck pag binenta mo ito na hindi pa siya totally sira. And then the annual operating cost is 6,000 per year. Since magkaiba yung cash flow ng dalawa, you have to determine alin sa dalawa ang mas less ang gastos natin, kung mag-overhaul ka or bibili ka na lang ng panibagong truck. So ang ko-compare nila is ano ang present value ng cost mo sa old truck sa present value ng lahat ng gastos mo for the new truck for the next 5 years. So dito na yung cash flow mo. Sa new truck is kailangan mo maglabas ka agad ng 21,000 to buy a new truck. So ang value yan sa year 0 is 21,000 pa rin. This we are in year 0. And then year 1 to 5, meron siyang annual operating cost na 6,000 per year. So since magkakasunod na taon na pare-parehas yung annual operating cost from year 1 to 5, gagamitin natin yung annual annuity factor. Hanapin nyo si year 5 and 10% sa annual annuity table for annual annuity factor will have a value of 3.791. So multiply nyo si negative 6,000 times 3.791, we get 22,746. And then meron tayong salvage value ng old truck. Now, since yung old truck mo is meron ka pang mapapakinabangan na pwede mo pong mabenta, so meron siyang 9,000 na salvage value, and ang kanyang ang kanyang, since it happens in the year 0, ang inyong discount factor is 1. 9,000 times 1, 9,000. And then you have again a salvage value ng new truck na 3,000. So you just have to find the discount factor for year 5 and 10%. Doon sa present value of $1, you get 0.621. So 3,000 times 0.61, ang present value ng 3,000 ay 1,863. So ang present value ng gastos mo, lahat, for the new truck is negative 32,883. Sa keep the old truck, okay, kung na mag-overhaul ka lang, sa year 0, ang ilalabas mo lang ay 4,500 kasi mag-overhaul ka lang. So, ang value niya ng 4,500 sa year 0 is 4,500 din. Then, may annual operating cost ka na like 10,000 per year. Since annuity to, kasi magkakasunod na taon na pare-parehas ang kanyang annual operating cost na 10,000. So, you have to look at the table of annuity factor for year 5 and 10% discount rate, you get a 3.791. So, titingnan nyo lang yung table na lagi natin tinitingnan. Then you multiply that by 10,000 times 3.791. Ang present value nung 10,000 na annual operating cost from year 1 to year 5, in year 0 ay negative 37,910. So, mapapansin nyo dito na although mas magastos sa year 0 yung new truck, pero nabawian, mas malaki naman yung annual net operating cost nyo for the old truck, which is normal kasi pag mas luma na yung truck, mas madalas mas magastos siya sa operating cost mo. Yung salvage value ng old truck is 155. Ang net present value niya ng lahat ng gastos niya from year 0 to year 5 ay ang present value ng cost ay negative 42,255. So dito, dahil ang pinipili natin is least cost, yung mas mababa ang lalabas na pera sa part mo, less na gastos sa iyo, ang pipiliin natin is the new truck rather than we have to invest on buying new truck rather than keeping the old truck at mag-overhaul tayo, since mas malaki yung magagastos natin for overhauling the old truck, which makes sense. Okay. So, ilan ang diferensya nila? So, ang problema lang natin dito sa new truck is kailangan may available cash ka to buy the new truck. Kasi medyo malaki yung cost, 21,000. Pero kung may pambili ka naman talaga, diretso na ito ang pipiliin mo. Okay? Okay, so we have to...
You have $12,000 to buy the new truck now. If you don't have $12,000, then that's off the table. So...
Okay, so dito, magkano ang na-save mo na gastos? Okay? Kung bibili ka na lang ng new truck. So, ima-minus nyo ito. Ima-minus nyo yung cost ng old truck less cost ng new truck, present value ng cost ng old truck sa present value ng new truck. So, mapapansin nyo na may diferensya sila na 9,372 or mas nakatipid ka ng 9,372 in the current year kung mas mag-i-invest ka sa new truck kaysa sa sa pag-overhaul ng inyong existing truck. Akin na.